Hey, y'all. How y'all doing? I hope everything is going well for you today. This is actually Tuesday morning at 2 a.m. Yes, your girl is up at 2 a.m. in the morning. And it's because I'm working my other job. So I thought I would take this opportunity to show y'all my little haul from Hobby Lobby. Um, So I'm going to get right into it. Thank you for viewing my videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. Please do join the Divine Family and where we meet all the time on Nicole Drive here at Divine Creations, you guys. So let me show you guys some things that I got from Hobby Lobby. I don't know if I have the receipt here with me. Oh, this is Hobby Lobby, but it's got some other things thrown in here. So let's start here. Okay, so I got this tin container, even though Christmas is pretty much over and I'm not really doing anything else for Christmas. But guess what, y'all? Christmas comes every year. Okay, so this was originally $3.99 and I got this at 50% off. And I thought this was a great container, great tin container. I could still use this as a gift to give to one of my kids, throw some popcorn or some snacks in here and give it off as a gift. Or I can use it for next year. So that will make it like $1.98 for this, which I think is awesome. I did go to Dollar Tree. I have a basket that I'm doing, and it's for an adult. You guys, if you saw my last live, you saw me wrapping up the basket, and I was not happy with the outcome of what it looked like. So, me being me, I'm going to redo the basket, and I just thought I would go ahead and add this in. And it did cost me $5, which I don't normally do, but I am going to probably either remove something that's going to be of equal cost for sure. So, but she really loves Mickey, so we're going to give her a Mickey. And then I got these from Dollar Tree. I know Elena said that she was using these from LBE. Um, the I want to make a charcuterie board, but I'm really thinking about doing it for not Christmas, but for another occasion, birthday, romance night, whatever. But I wanted to make sure I had some on board. So I got the little cheeses. I'm going to be honest with y'all. I don't know if I'm happy with this being $1.25. I think that's a little expensive for this little slice of cheese. However, it is compact and it is shelf life. So we can't beat shelf life. And then these crackers is 3 individual ones. Okay, I'm starting to build up on my desk already. Okay. And then I also grabbed this from Dollar Tree. Y'all, these is the cutest little sets. And every time I go there, I'm going to grab me one. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. $1.25, $1.25. I could not resist that. So I didn't get much from Dollar Tree, but I did grab a couple of things. But I love this piece right here, and you guys should go out and go get it. It would be great for our baskets. Let me see. Oh my gosh, why does it smell like pomegranate? What is this? It says it's inspired by Calvin Klein, Eternity Now, Everlasting Love scent. That smells really, really good. So, of course, y'all know that's my hot pink. Got a lot of hot pink over here. And we're putting her on the shelf. There you go. Oh, and I also have, y'all, look at this. And I also have the lotion. I didn't even realize I had picked up the lotion, y'all. I'm so happy with myself. I'm so happy with myself right now, okay? Okay, so we're going to rearrange this because I want these all to sit together. So we're going to move this, put that over there, put this back there, this right there, and this right there. All right, so I know that's a whole set sitting right there together, y'all. Bingo. Okay, I'm going to put this stuff back in the bag because this is going over to my other table. And I want to be able to have space over here. Okay, here we go, y'all. Hobby Lobby. Okay. Y'all, so they had these containers at Hobby Lobby for $2.49, which is $2.50, and they were 50% off. So that's $1.25, which you get at the Dollar Tree. These nice, they are cardboard boxes. Okay, they're decent size, and to me, they're perfect for Valentine's. So that's what we all getting ready for. This is perfect for Valentine's for men. Okay, so I think I got 5 of each, and the other one's in another bag. But I'm sure I got 5 of each, y'all. When I saw them, I was like, oh, they'll be perfect for Valentine's Day. So you can shop Christmas for Valentine's because the color red. It's lots of red. Excuse me, I have my containers up under me. There we go. Okay. There's lots of red. Oh, and I also have this, which is what I'm probably am going to redo the Christmas basket in because the pillow is so wide, and when I shrunk it, it shredded up. So these were $2.99, maximum $3, $1.50. These are paper Christmas trays, and I believe there is, I don't know how many's in here, 2 of them in here. So even though I paid $1.50, they're really like, I don't know, 75 cents a piece, each sheet. So that's what I'm going to use for that one that I'm going to rewrap. I'm hoping that's going to work out. I also grabbed some of these they had on clearance, $4.99, $5, and these were 66% off. So let me see my calculator if one of these phones is on. 66% off. And then I grabbed them not because of Christmas, but for Valentine's Day. Even though the red and the green looks like Christmas, I'm probably going to use this red, this, and this, and this. So, for Valentine's Day. And the other stuff can go for Christmas. And again, you saw that I had the checkered pattern box, which I'm probably going to use this paper inside of those. And then I have the black and white checkered. I'm using all of this for Valentine's Day, you guys. This is 60 sheets. 60 sheets. Not the dollar store sheets either. Okay? Okay, you guys. So, these were $4.99, which makes them $5. And again, they were 66% off. They were 66% off. So we're going to say $4.99 times 60%. That made it $2.99. So $2.99 to me isn't bad when I'm getting 60 sheets of tissue. So you go to dollar store and you're going to pay $1.50 for 10 sheets, sometimes 20 sheets. Okay, so I still came out cheaper than Dollar Tree on both of these. Well, this one is 40 because it's a different type of paper, but these are 60. Great purchase, great buy. Let me get my other bags. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, so I grabbed some of this Novelty straw. They were $3.99 and they were 66% off. So I think I paid like a dollar and something, like for it. this is Novelty straw. And then I thought maybe I could use this in some of my baskets. We're going to see how this work out in some of our natural tone baskets, or our fruit baskets, or our food baskets, our charcuterie boards. We're going to see how this works. This is a test for me. It is natural sun-dried barley straw. So it's nothing that's going to make anyone break out or anything of that nature. So I think this was a good buy. I bought 3 of these. And you can see it shed. So that might be the one thing driving me crazy. Look at that. Yeah, here. I needed some more bags. And they had them for $9.99 for 10 bags, you guys. 10 bags for $9.99. And they were 50% off. So that means that I paid $4.98 for these bags. And I have 10 of them. Oh, and they're the rounded shape ones. So, again, that makes it cheaper than Dollar Tree. Because Dollar Tree, you're going to get 2 bags for... You're going to get 2 bags for $1.25. I have 10, so that would be 5 bags times $1.25. You can always find some things cheaper outside of Dollar Tree. So make sure that you guys are looking and counting your pennies. Okay? You may feel like you're paying a higher upfront cost because it was $5 right up, $4.98 right up front. But instead of buying like a bag at a time at $1.25, but you're really saving money doing it this way, okay? I know I got my containers right there. So, okay. Oh, and then they had these right here for 99 cents. Also, containers, like the real sturdy cardboard boxes like the other ones, but they're white. They're going to be used for Valentine's. I also picked up some of this. What is this? This is wood as well. It was $2.99 and it was 66% off, you guys. I should have bought more than this. It was 66% off. I did buy 2 bags. But again, those is for our natural tone baskets. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I couldn't beat that price. And then they had their picks. Okay, y'all. Let's get to it. We had these that were $2.99. They were 66% off. I paid like 90, maybe 98 cents. I'm not sure. And then this, I thought this was beautiful. I almost put it back and I was like, I don't normally use stuff like this, but I'm going to think outside the box. And we kept this. This was also $2.99. I didn't pay $2.99. Everything 66% off, y'all. Everything was 66% off. I love bling and classy. Look, this was 99 cents. So this was like, I don't know, 20-something cents. This is some more of this straw, which we want to keep in the bag because we don't want it to shed. Hold on. Okay, then we got, here is my rest of my men bins that I want to use for Valentine's for the men. I have another 10 that I got. And then I got some of this. They were $3.99, and they were 50% off. So what's that, $2? But that's like double the size at Dollar Tree. That's like 2 bags of what you get at Dollar Tree. And then here's the fantastic part. Even though I thought I had more than this, Let's take a look at this ribbon. Okay, so this was $11.99 normally, and it is 90 feet, a 2.5 inch jumbo roll, and it was 66% off. We have this one is a 1.5 inch, 30 feet, and it's normally $7.99 with 66% off. Everything was 66, y'all. So 1.5, this is so pretty. 1.5, $7.99, 30 feet. I also got it in this pretty white. And I got it in a blue. And I got it in this pretty blue. So those really, everything I was doing, I was trying to focus on Valentine's. Everything I was pulling. Got the checkered plaid. Remember, I just pulled the checkered plaid paper. We got white. This is 1 inch. And it is 2 feet. This one, I'm sorry, it was a 2.5 and it's only 30 feet. This one is a 5/8 inch and it's 30 feet. Great for Valentine's. Got some twine, $3.99, 66% off, and it's 60 feet of twine. So I got 2 twine, and then I grabbed some red twine as well. And then they have this one, which I thought would be great for Valentine's, $9.99. It's a 2.5, 30 feet. Another 2.5, 30 feet, pretty white. This one right here, $7.99. Normally is a 1.5, 30 feet. Candy cane stripe can be used for any time. Can be used for Christmas and for Valentine's. This was $4.99. It's a 1 inch, 30 feet. And then I got this blue, $2.99. How many feet is this? This is a 3/8, 30 feet. This is a 3/8, 30 feet as well. I still had a couple of Christmas things I needed to do. And y'all remember I ran out of ribbon. That was the only thing I got that was Christmas. And then I got this pretty red right here that was 1.5 at 30 feet at $7.99. And y'all, that is my little haul from Hobby Lobby. I had a ball. I'm so tempted to go back, but I'm trying to behave. Y'all, I'm going to wait until after Christmas where everything is going to drop 70%, 90%. And then I'm going back and I'm getting me some more. Y'all know we can never have enough ribbon. Okay, thank y'all for taking the time to look at my video. I love y'all with the love of Jesus. Y'all don't forget, be divine. Bye.